So yesterday I got a few packages in the mail and it's a brand new desk. I'm really excited to get this thing set up and start using it, but first things first, I have to do a little cleaning. So I'm gonna do a little cleaning and then after that, we'll set the desk up. All right, let's get started. Really quickly, I noticed something that's pretty cool. It's essentially a safety feature that if the desk bumps into something while raising, it automatically stops. So it's pretty cool. So the whole reason why I'm opting for a new workstation in the first place is I want to encourage more digital illustration. I want to be able to sit down, jump right into a project without having to move things around. And I also have a smaller space, so I wanted a smaller desk profile to match that. And I wanted that without having to sacrifice surface area for all of my peripherals. So this Desky desk is perfect for my needs, and let me show you the end result. Now, my Secret Lab chair is great. It's really cozy, especially for those long editing sessions. But when it comes to illustrating, it gets a bit cumbersome. I'm not as fluid or flexible with my line strokes or my rendering. And that's why I opted for the Active Pro stool from Desky. With the Active Pro stool, I still feel supported. I don't feel like I'm just on a hard wooden stool. There's still like a cushion and a foam in there that feels good, but I also am more mobile. Like I can be more active in my art. And coupled with the desktop stand, I'm able to be more versatile. I could use my Cintiq remote for quick keys or bring my keyboard up to the desktop stand if I need to do more typing. I can also attach a magic arm to the desktop stand if I want to do any recording for social media content. And for those times that I feel that I need to be on my feet a bit more or be a bit more active, I just raise the desk up with the click of a button. And Desky's UI and customizations are pretty premium feeling. The whole system feels really nice and intuitive, and you get customizations like maximum and minimum desk height. You could use Bluetooth, it has impact detection, and an RGB lighting interface. Thanks again to Desky for sponsoring this video. This is a really nice addition to my workstation. I mean, it is my workstation essentially because it's holding everything up. But thank you, I really appreciate it. And I also appreciate you for sticking around and watching this one through. Let me know what kind of desk you have. And if you pick up one from Desky, definitely give them a shout out in the comments.